Hey y'all, happy Vlogmas day 8. I am back in my makeup room because I'm finally going to clean off my messy makeup table, and then I am going to clean my brushes, or at least get started on them. I have quite a few because it's kind of been a while, and then I have to clean all my sponges, and I still haven't cleaned my brushes that I used for my Halloween makeup. Some of them are probably going to be stained, but it's fine. So I already hung up the clothes that were laying on my desk beside my mirror, and then I think I'm going to try and maybe organize my shoes that are in that closet, because I can't even get to the clothes in there, and that's where all my jackets and cardigans and things like that are. So I'm going to do that, because when I'm in a cleaning mode, I need to take advantage of it, because that does not cleaning mode. When I'm in a cleaning mood, I need to take advantage of it, because it doesn't happen that often. You can ask my husband. And then after that, I'm going to finally put the ornaments on the tree, and then put the wreath on the door. And that will probably be about all for today's vlog. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started before I talk myself out of it. So here is the mess. I actually already cleaned a little bit, but look at all of these brushes. Are they not horrible? So those are all of the brushes I used for Halloween. Okay, so it looks a little better. I gotta clean all those sponges too. And here are my little eyepieces from when I did Poison Ivy for my Halloween makeup. But I still need to get a wipe and clean that off. But at least it looks a little better. But now I have to clean all of these brushes and sponges, and there are even more in the bathroom from where I was gonna clean them and didn't. Ugh, I hate cleaning brushes. Does anybody else hate cleaning makeup brushes? Okay, I'm kind of embarrassed to show y'all this closet because it is a disaster. Look at all of these shoes. Okay, so it at least looks better. It is more organized, but I still can't really walk in here. But I can kind of at least get to my cardigans and stuff. So this is what I was wanting to get to. And then here's my other jackets, but I kind of want some type of shoe rack or shelves. I don't know if y'all watch Mallory Irvin, but there's this place in Nashville called The Home Edit that comes in and organizes your home. And Mallory did that, and for her closet, which of course it's a lot bigger and a lot prettier, but they got her some glass shelves. So that way you can see all the shoes, and I just thought that looked really clean and neat. So I kind of want to get some of those and stack like tallways. That way I can actually walk in here. I had to throw my hair up, but I decided to not clean my brushes tonight just because there are a ton of them, and I've about had my cleaning quota for today after cleaning off my makeup table and organizing all of my shoes. I got rid of a bunch. I actually had to throw some away because they were pretty worn out, some sandals. So at least I got rid of some. I probably should get rid of more, but that's good for one day. I also need to go through some of my clothes, but like I said, I have to be in the mood to clean and get rid of stuff, and now my mood has passed, so I'm going to work on the Christmas tree. Okay, so finally got the tree decorated. I feel like that tree topper looks funny because the tree's so big and it's so small, but I want to get some of those like sprig things to maybe put around it and maybe make it look a little fuller. So I have these little berries I've put throughout, but I don't have very many. I wish I could find more, but I got them at Hobby Lobby a couple years ago and I have not seen them since, but I haven't went to Hobby Lobby for this Christmas, so I would really love to find some more of those, but if not, I do want to get some more of something similar to kind of stick throughout. But I really like how it turned out. I just need a couple more things, but now I at least have it decorated so I know what I need. But that is it for Vlogmas Day 8. I really hope that y'all enjoy cleaning with me and finally decorating my tree. But don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see y'all tomorrow.